Hi Mini and Moke enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Minisport workshop. Today we're looking at the KAD Ultimate Flywheel Puller. Playing around with a flywheel that's being a little bit troublesome to get off. This is the standard flywheel puller that we sell. Works quite well for most engines, but occasionally you get the odd one that's just that little bit too tight. So today we're going to give the KAD Ultimate Flywheel Puller a trial. We've got it over here. If you have a look, she's a bit of something special. We do sell that. KAD swear by it. We're going to give it a shot and see how easy it all comes apart. We'll update you shortly. On this puller, you get a little sleeve that will go into the crank there and protect your thread. So that's a really good thing. And then it's got on the tool itself, it'll drop into that, so it all comes together like that. So yeah. If you have a look how heavy duty this is, she's some serious steel there, and how fine that thread is. So with that thread being so fine, it's going to just pop off with ease for even the hardest flywheel. There we go, and she's off. Came off with ease. We really struggled to get it to move on the other flywheel puller. So yeah, very worthwhile tool to have in your garage. That was impressive. If the flywheel still does not want to release from the crank, never hit the flywheel with a hammer. This can cause damage, and it's just not worth the risk. In the workshop here, we apply heat to the flywheel center. This should then result in the flywheel releasing. Keep in mind that when the flywheel does release, the flywheel assembly will be under some pressure and it could fall. I hope you've enjoyed our video on the KAD Ultimate Flywheel Puller, and please remember to follow us for more videos.